The federal government is moving to have a sexual harassment complaint against the Parliament Speaker dismissed by the courts. James Ashby's claim against Peter Slipper will start to be heard in the federal court tomorrow. The Commonwealth is a party to the case and argues that hearing it isn't a good use of the court's time. Here's political correspondent Mark Simpkin.
Strip away the legal formalities and niceties, and the government's basically accusing James Ashby of waging a costly media campaign. The court documents argue Mr Ashby didn't tell the government about Peter Slipper's alleged sexual harassment or warn any official he was going to launch legal proceedings. According to the government solicitor, the Commonwealth was never given any opportunity to address the conduct, to change Mr Ashby's work arrangements or to take ameliorating steps. This case has already cost the government a speaker and changed the numbers on the floor of Parliament. Adding to the intrigue, it's now dragged in high-profile senators from both sides of the political divide. James Ashby's lodged a formal complaint with the Human Rights Commission, claiming he's been victimised by Bob Carr and Barnaby Joyce. Earlier in the month, the Foreign Minister tweeted that Mr Ashby seems more rehearsed than a kabuki actor. Senator Joyce suggested Mr Ashby appeared only slightly less dodgy than Mr Slipper. In his letter of complaint, Mr Ashby's lawyer says his client's reputation, integrity and credibility have been damaged by senior politicians. Mr Carr and Senator Joyce should not use their high office to demean our client for their political ends or otherwise.
I think in Australia and around the world there are a lot more serious cases of infringement of human rights than this. Let me say again, sexual harassment is serious. Precisely because of that, if there is a complaint, take it to the authorities.
The sexual harassment case will have its first hearing in the federal court in Sydney tomorrow morning.
Chief Political Correspondent Mark Simpkin reporting there.